Earth suffering due to extreme weather caused by global warming. It refers to the warning of the nature caused by the indiscriminate use of fossil energy. Additionally, nuclear power, which is one of the global maximum energy sources, is a very dangerous source of energy because it may cause serious problems including natural disasters such as earthquakes and environmental pollution. Then, what is the energy source that will be responsible for the future of mankind? Hydrologic changing. Typed tidal generation using the power of the sea and the moon is emerging as a new alternative. Tidal power generation is a system to produce electricity using the ebb and inflow of the sea. Shiwa Tidal Power Plant in the Yellow Sea of Korea, recently completed and operating, is the world's largest tidal power plant, generating 5.5 billion kilowatts an hour electricity annually. Shiwa Tidal Power Plant is a single current type system to generate power only when the tide comes in. When the pressure reaches more than 2 meters of the sufficient level after the inflow starts and when the water level reaches enough to fall from, the floodgates in the front of the generator open to start generation. Then, the power generation stops before the high tide reaches 2 meters. At this time, it takes 4 to 5 hours till the end of generation. At low tide, it is needed to open the floodgates and the hydrological aberration structures and to leave the inland sea empty by discharging seawater for next generation. However, the biggest problem of the single current typed power generation system of Shiwa Tidal Power Plant is that secondary environmental damages last due to the reduction of the area of intertidal zone because the floodgates of aberration structures are closed before the water level reaches 2 meters after generation. The hydrologic changing typed power generation is a system of power generation in both directions of ebb and inflow by inducing the flow of seawater. The production efficiency is twice as much as the single current type. This system is designed in a way to add 2 reservoirs and 3 hydrological structures that can change only the direction of the seawater after power generation turbines are vertically constructed. Generation starts by opening 2 floodgates when the tide comes in and opening floodgates of the generator and floodgate number 4 after ensuring more than 2 meters in the reservoir water level. Then, it is important to ensure the water level reaches the natural state by opening all the 4 floodgates after 4 to 5 hours of generation. At low tide, power generation starts by waiting till the reservoir level difference between the open sea and the inland sea reaches more than 2 meters and opening floodgates. As explained above, it is important to discharge the water to ensure the low tide is maintained by opening all the floodgates after 4 to 5 hours of generation. This system has the advantage that when the water level is maintained in the natural state of the high, low tide, the utilization is rather maximized through water supply and discharge after generation is over. Thus, it is an eco-friendly tidal power system that does not cause environmental damages due to the reduction of the intertidal zone caused by the hydraulic single current type. This system is dramatical in cost saving as well. Compared with the cost of producing 1 kilowatt of power, the solar power costs 400 won, the wind power costs 200 won, and the single current typed tidal power generation system takes 90 won. On the contrary, the double current type tidal power generation system takes 45 won. Thus, the double current type tidal power generation system can be evaluated as the best in terms of energy production cost. Currently, the tidal power available regions are evenly distributed to 20 countries such as United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Russia, Argentina, etc., including 300 regions in China. The total of potential tidal electricity distributed worldwide reaches 22 to 44 trillion kilowatts an hour, surpassing the world power demand 17 trillion kilowatts an hour. This hydraulic changing double current type tidal power generation system completed the international PCT patent application in November after domestic patent registration on October 7th last year. and is in the state of patent pending in some countries including China. Hydraulic changing double current type tidal power generation system called the revolution of energy. It is surely a core technology to solve global energy issues at a brush. However, no matter how excellent technology it is important for all of us, including the government and enterprises, to take the interest in order to shed light.